everyone. My team is going to present a topic on electrochemical methods. The team members are myself Meghna Bey, Fatima Hiba, Ritik Sujal, Tai Dupit. What is electrochemical methods? They are analytical techniques that use a measurement of potential, charge or current to determine an analyzed concentration or to characterize an analyzed chemical reactivity. That is, this is an analytical technique that measures some properties like potential, charge or current and then determines the amount of analytes or characteristics of analytes. It is originated from a study of the movement of electrons in an oxidation reduction reaction. That is, this method is based on oxidation reduction reaction process. It is a qualitative and quantitative method of analysis based on electrochemical phenomena occurring within a medium or at a phase boundary and related to changes in the structure, chemical composition or concentration of the compounds being analyzed.
It is a well-known and convenient approach to prepare cartons with the desired thickness by controlling the voltage, electrodeposition time and concentration of the electrolyte and monomers. It removes and recovers heavy metals based on the principle that metals became precipitated in their elemental form on the solid electrodes when potential or electricity is applied on the electrode. The basic reaction occurring is the reduction of metals in different oxidation states into zero oxidation state at the cathode when there is a flow of electrons through the circuits from the anode. These reduction reactions are of three types based on their function. They are electrocoagulation, electroflotation, and electrodeposition. Electrocoagulation involves the use of electrodes that releases the coagulating ions that reacts with the metals. Electroflotation involves hydrogen gas that is generated at the electrochemical cell, the cathode, to float the suspended cathodes of heavy metal in the catholyte to the surface, which are then separated out. Electrodeposition is a process in which there is a removal and recovery at the same time owing to the applied potential or time. Electrochemical methods for treatment of water include electrocoagulation, electrooxidation, and electrodialysis. Ritik will be continuing the rest.
Electrocoagulation. In electrocoagulation, metal electrodes such as iron and aluminum are used, which produce metal ions such as Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, Al3 plus ions at anode, while OH minus ions are produced at the cathode. These ions combine to form metal hydroxides, which are effective for the removal of suspended solids, microorganisms, and other inorganic contaminants such as arsenic, fluoride, and chromium from water in the form of coagulation flocculants. Electrooxidation. The oxidation of inorganic compounds and destruction of cell wall of microorganisms is achieved by direct oxidation due to different oxidizing agent produced at the anode and cathode.
Electrodialysis. In electrodialysis, ions in water are transferred through a charged ions exchange membrane. The positively charged ions are transferred through the cathode and negatively charged ions are transferred through anode. The ions transferred through charged membranes are collected in the concentrate wastewater stream, and water with reduced ions is collected as the product stream with TDS lower than acceptable drinking water limit. ED is mostly suitable for purifications of brackish water and water with some inorganic ions such as sulfate and nitrate. Uh, in in speed solution diagrams, there there are two positively charged membranes called anion selective membranes or ions exchange membrane. There are two negatively charged membrane called cathode ions selective membranes or cathode ions exchange membrane. And you can see here anode and cathodes are also shown here in seed solutions or salt water set in between these membranes. Now, when current is passed through, ionization take place and mm, positive ions are repelled by positive membrane. These positive ions can pass through negatively charged membrane, that is cation selective membrane, and positive ions are migrate toward the cathode, that is negative electrode. Similarly, negative ions are also allowed to pass through these positive membranes. From middle compartment, we get water, less amount of salt or without any salt. From the other side of the central compartment, we get concentrate, that is water with more amount of salt. So this is about our topics. Thank you.